The Redmi 6 runs MIUI 9 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and sports a 5.45-inch HD plus 720 by 1440 pixels display, with an 18 by 9 aspect ratio, and a 80.7% screen-to-body ratio. As for internals, the budget smartphone is powered by an octa-core 12nm MediaTek Helio P22 SoC, clocked at 2 GHz, paired with 3 GB and 4 GB of RAM. In terms of optics, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 gets horizontally stacked dual-camera setup at the back, with a 12-megapixel primary sensor and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor, with 1.25 micron pixels and an f2.2 aperture. It features portrait mode. On the front, the smartphone gets a 5-megapixel selfie sensor, with f2.2 aperture and 1.12 micron pixels, as well as AI beautification features. There is 32 GB and 64 GB of inbuilt storage, expandable via microSD card up to 256 GB, with its own card slot. Connectivity options on the Redmi 6 include 4G LTE, Bluetooth 4.2, Wi-Fi, GPS and a GPS, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and micro USB. Sensors on board include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, digital compass, gyroscope, infrared, and proximity sensor. The Redmi 6 measures in at 147.5 by 71.5 by 8.3 mm, and weighs 146 grams. It is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. The Redmi 6 price in China has been set at 799 Chinese yuans, roughly 8,400 rupees for the 3 GB RAM and 32 GB inbuilt storage variant, and 999 Chinese yuans, roughly 10,500 rupees for the model with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB storage. The Redmi 6 will be made available in its first sale in the home country starting 10 a.m. CST on Friday, June 15.